I'm Paul Perkins with Check of Your Ag Weather. Higher humidity continues to keep those fire weather concerns lower this afternoon, but still at elevated levels, and it could trigger a few sprinkles. Scattered rain and a few thunderstorms are possible across the west and central this late day through early tomorrow. Rain amounts, if any, likely to be on the light side and range from a trace to a quarter of an inch. After highs in the 70s this afternoon, a cold front stalls out, and highs tomorrow range from the 60s in western locations to the 70s in the east. Sunday a little milder, with highs mostly in the 70s. Weakening low pressure moving across the plains results in rain and thunderstorm chances returning for Sunday evening through Monday night. That most favored time is late Sunday night through Monday. Rain total should remain once again on the light side below a quarter of an inch. Highs on Monday cooling slightly to the mid-60s to the low 70s. On Tuesday, those highs spike into the 70s before another cold front drops their highs into the mid-60s to the mid-70s for Wednesday and Thursday. Mild temperatures look to continue through the end of the month. In the long-term forecast, temperatures for Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. likely to be warmer than normal Wednesday through Halloween. Rain chances not looking good, with mostly below normal rainfall predicted Wednesday through October 31st in Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors influencing the markets include meaningful rain in western areas of the southern plains and good rains for central Brazil, while good rains start to end in Argentina. More active weather evolves across the western and central U.S., with significant precipitation expected in the Pacific Northwest, the Four Corners, and central and southern sections of the plains. Across the central and southern plains, there could be some spotty rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches the next few days. Rain could briefly spread as far east as the upper Midwest. Meaningful rainfall is scarce the next several days, though, across the Corn Belt, south and east. Harvest continues at a rather rapid pace, with most areas of the plains and Midwest expecting light or no rain. Low pressure is likely to develop in the western U.S. and Canadian prairies next weekend, continuing eastward into early the following week. It may bring some scattered rain to more of the U.S. the last few days of the month. In central Brazil, wet season rains are likely to continue as producers try to overcome the delay in soybean planting. Soybeans in central Brazil need to be planted by the end of the month to avoid delays for the second crop corn and exposing it to the dry season. Argentina rainfall this week has had good coverage and intensity, bringing needed rain for corn establishment and drought-stricken filling wheat. Additional widespread rain moves through Argentina the early to middle part of next week before it turns drier. With soybean planting beginning next month in Argentina, drought could cause some issues. For the eastern Black Sea region, drought continues to be very bad. Frost are starting to become more common in the Black Sea region, closing the window on wheat establishment. With the Check of Your Ag Weather, I'm Paul Perkins.